Hi, my name is Steve. I'm your teacher buddy. Welcome to my channel. In this video, we will talk about probability of simple events. When you say probability of simple events, this is a simple event of probability that does not need a complicated computation. Let's talk about this formula. P stands for the probability, and E is for the event. And this numerator is the number of favorable outcomes over the possible outcomes. Let's start our example number 1. What is the probability of getting ahead in tossing a coin? We all know that we have two sides in our coin, the head and a tail. So here in our problem, asking the probability of getting ahead. Head, this is our event. Then our experiment is tossing a coin. So, how are we going to calculate this, using this formula? So P, or probability of the event, is head. Just put head here inside the parenthesis. Okay, so now, what is the number of favorable outcomes? Or how many head in our possible outcomes? A coin has two sides, the head and a tail. Meaning we only have one head. That's why the number of favorable outcomes is simply 1. Over the number of possible outcomes, which is two sides of a coin. The heads and tail. So, 2 is our denominator. Just remember, your probability is represented by a fraction, and that you need to express the fraction in lowest terms. In this case, 1/2 is already in lowest terms. But you also can express this 1/2 as a decimal like 0.5, and also you can answer this as 50%. I hope that's our first example. You learned on how to use this formula in calculating the simple events. Now let's move on with the next example. Peter spins a spinner. What is the probability of the spinner will land on 3? So, as you can see, we have here a spinner. We have 4 parts of our spinner. Our experiment here is spins a spinner. And we are asked, what is the probability of the spinner will land on 3? Our event here is 3. So, we have the probability of 3 equal to the number of all favorable outcomes. Now, look at the spinner. How many 3 you see? 1, right? Therefore, our number of favorable outcomes in this problem is simply 1 over number of all possible outcomes. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4. Meaning, the denominator is 4. Let's simplify our answer. 1/4 is already in lowest terms, that's why this is our final answer, or 0.25 in decimal, or 25%. I hope this video helped you better understand on how to solve the probability of simple events. Wish you all the best in your mathematics adventures. Thank you for your time and have a great day. Shout out to Adri and Jasmine for requesting this video. Thank you all for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. And hey, why not drop a comment below? I'd love to hear your thoughts and suggestions. Until next time, bye.